Welcome to WebStylePress. In a recent video, I created a timer that counts down from 20 minutes to 0. After reaching 0, it resets. Here is how I built it. I will use Moment.js library to make time manipulation easy. This is HTML. Div with ID current time will display updated current time. Div with ID countdown will display countdown timer. Then we have 3 buttons to start, stop, and reset the time. Relevant functions have been applied to the buttons, but not invoked yet. Let's use some CSS styles to beautify this app. Here we will use JavaScript. To start such a thing, I will need to define time interval and remaining seconds. Time interval will store the timer so it can be stopped later. Remaining seconds will keep track of how much time is left in seconds. 300 seconds equals 5 minutes. Update time function gets the current time using the Moment.js library. Const now moment. It updates the current time div to show the time in hours, minutes, seconds, AM and PM format. Update countdown function converts remaining seconds into minutes and seconds. Then it updates the countdown div to show the minutes and seconds left. It also uses pad start to 0 to ensure numbers always have 2 digits, such as 05 minutes and 00 seconds. Then I used start timer function. It starts the countdown only if it's not already running. It decreases remaining seconds every second and updates the time on screen. If the countdown reaches 0, it stops timer and resets it. I'm declaring this function below. Stop timer function stops the countdown timer by clearing the interval. Reset timer function will stop the countdown timer by calling stop timer function, reset remaining seconds back to 5 minutes, and update the countdown display. And at the end, call update timer and update countdown functions once to set initial values, and use set interval function to refresh current time every second. We do this by calling update time function every second. And here is the result. This is the current time, and this is the countdown timer that we can start. Current time is being displayed. We can click start to start the timer. We can stop it, and we can start it again, and we can reset it as well. When it's done counting down, timer will reset. Let me make it 10 seconds. Start. And here it stopped. So to make it 20 minutes countdown timer, change this value to 1200. Also this value here. And now it will count down from 20 minutes. My requirement was 20 minutes, so here it is. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.